got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. Want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for. Na, 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 na. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no.
Lightning card 2 of hearts 8 sacks, on play its hand free on banker's hand. Lightning card also 2 of hearts 8 sacks, 2 of the bank double drop. Another lightning card, please pay attention, 2 of hearts 8 sacks on play its hand. And 3 of spades with 4 X. Oh, alright, tie with a 5. Compliments to all who of one, especially to you, Kate, Jolos, and you also by winners. Waiting 7 of diamonds. Lightning card in player's hand. It's Baccarat for player. 6 for banker, lightning card in banker's hand. And Baccarat for the player. Second lightning card on player's hand and Baccarat for the bank. Second lightning card on banker's hand, and it's 7 with a total multiplier 8,000x. My count meant 2 winners.
At 1 for banker we see 1 and also 8x lightning cut. So now time for double draw. Well, now 2x lightning cut for player and another 8x lightning cut for banker. So we have unexpected, oh god, tie with 2 and 5,120x? Seriously? Winners, enjoy, what can I say, 5,000.
Lightning card was the first multiplier on the player's side, 3 for the player, and 1 more lightning card was the highest multiplier of 3x. And it's a 1 more lighting card on the banker's side with a 4x, 6 for the bank, additional card for the player, 1 more lighting card, amazing round tab with 6 with the total multiplier. Oh, well, big multiplier, amazing multiplier, enjoy. 3,830x, 3,830x multiplier. Oh. Lightning card for the player, 1 for the player, 1 for the banker, double draw. Lightning card for the player, lightning card for the banker. It's tied with 1 multiplier 2,560x. Wow.